Assalamu alaikum. Ana ismi Nehan. Ya marhaba. And a very happy Saudi National Day to you all. Today, I'm going to show you some of the traditional crafts of Saudi Arabia in the comfort of my very own tent. Yallah! First of all, I'd like to show you the sufra. It's used for eating on. It's made of wicker, and wicker is made of dry palm tree leaves. It's much better than the plastic sufras we use nowadays as they spoil the environment. This is a mehfa. It's a hand fan. It gives a cool breeze. Here's a miniature version of the sufra. It includes a lantern, dalla, teapots, and coffee cup. The dalla holds the aromatic Arabic coffee called gahwa. Gahwa goes great with dates. Next, I would like to show you the mabkhara. The mabkhara is an incense burner. It gives out a pleasing smell. Here's some traditional pots used for cooking. Now this thing, my dear friends, is a wooden chest used to store jewelry. Here's some traditional jewelry worn by women. And here's some perfume and kohl for eyes. And this beautiful thing is a sibha. It's made of 37 semi-precious stones, and the tassels are made of pure silver. And here's the miswak. It's used for cleaning teeth. Here's some traditional musical instruments, like this drum and this other drum called duff. And this stick is used in traditional dance performances. You can twirl it around. Most of these items I got from the Janadriya festival. You can get it from there too. Hope you enjoyed this tour. Thanks for watching. Shukran. Ma salama. I forgot to show you this small replica of the Najri sandal made of pure leather. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. Yalla!
افرحي يا بلادي وارفع الخفاق الاخضر فوق عالي، بالغلا شعبك يغني السعودية وكل بك ينادي. افرحي يا بلادي وارفع الخفاق الاخضر فوق عالي، بالغلا شعبك يغني السعودية وكل بك ينادي. يا وطننا بين الاوطان غالي، يا ديار الزين ويا الوداد، والنعم يا دار زين الخصالي، عشقنا كل يوم عن يوم زادي.